In this video, we're going to cover the new features in the CloudRF route analysis tool. I'm going to be using a KML provided by ADSB This site allows you to view flight paths in real time. It also allows you to download these flight paths as a KML, which can be imported into the route analysis tool in CloudRF. KML paths can be imported into the interface using this tool, allowing you to analyze points based on their latitude, longitude, and now altitude. I'm now going to do an error calculation to see where I have coverage with my current settings. I can see that I have good coverage in the area around the transmitter, losing a signal as the plane flies away, as well as when it flies directly overhead. The reason why we see a loss of coverage directly overhead is due to the nulls in the antenna. This can be demonstrated through this 3D polar plot. I can easily adjust the settings of my transmitter and receiver and do another route analysis calculation. With increased receiver sensitivity, I now have increased coverage across my entire route. I can zoom into the route and I can see the coverage statistics at each point of the route. To keep up to date with the new features in CloudRF, please subscribe to this channel.